Every girl and woman want thicker eyelashes. They make a person's eyes look even more beautiful and attractive. Factors like genetic problems, certain medical condition, nutritional deficiency and eye infection or hormonal changes in the body. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anshika. Today I'm gonna share with you a simple DIY serum to grow eyelash and eyebrow. This is very natural method, hence it won't irritate your eyes. So guys, let's make a DIY eyelash serum. For this you will need 2 tablespoons castor oil and 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil. These two oil makes a good combination to promote eyelashes growth. And the next 2 to 3 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E oil promote healthy hair growth. Application of this oil will also improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. And the last ingredients, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. It's optional, you can skip it. Now guys, let's make it. So first take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoon castor oil and sweet almond oil. And then add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now guys, I am going to add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsule into the mixture. Mix it everything together very well. Your all natural eyelashes growth serum is ready. Now I am going to transfer into the storage bottle. You can store it up to 1 month. Now guys, I will show you how to apply this. So first take cotton swab or clean mascara brush, whatever you have. First lightly dip into the container and you can just apply on your upper and lower lashes and eyebrows when you go to bed and leave it for overnight. And do not more apply it, 1 coat is enough. So guys, follow this serum for about few days for dramatic result. And then in the morning wash it off with lukewarm water, or you can remove it with the help of makeup remover. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please try this at home. I guarantee that you will get best result for short time. And please leave on the comment section in the below. Hope you guys this video is very helpful for all of you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then you guys take care and bye bye.